So let's see today's instant Rava Dhokla recipe, a nice ideal breakfast or snack recipe. So to a bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of Rava. I'm using the fine Rava or Semolina. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water. So add a little at a time and just whisk it. We want a batter which is very similar to a dosa batter. So mix everything well, and once you've mixed everything well, we are going to set this aside to rest for 15 minutes. So this is the kind of consistency we're looking for. Also, it will be a good time to prepare your steamer. Now after 15 minutes, give it a stir. Then I'm going to add 1 green chili that I've chopped fine. Mix the chili in well. Next, we're going to add some salt to taste. Mix the salt in well too. Next goes just half a teaspoon of oil. Stir everything nicely together. Now I'm going to also prepare my tin in which I'm going to be steaming this Rava Dhokla. So just take a small tin like this and just brush it with some oil. And now when your steamer is completely ready, that's when we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ENO or fruit salts and mix it vigorously till it starts to double in size like this immediately. And then you're going to pour this into your prepared tin. You have to work fast once you add the fruit salts or the ENO. And then we're going to put it into our steamer and steam it for 15 to 20 minutes or until a knife inserted comes out clean. So steam it for 15 to 20 minutes, put a timer, and then let the steamer completely cool down. And you can see that a knife inserted comes out clean. So now once our dhokla is completely at room temperature, we're just going to start cutting it into squares. Now because we oiled the tin also, it comes out really easily. And now all we have to do is put a lovely phodni or tadka. So here I have some oil which is nice and hot. To that I'm going to about 1 tablespoon of oil. To that I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohri, half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hinga, and half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera. And I've taken 1 green chili and cut it up into 2, and I'm going to add that too. And now we're just going to pour this over this lovely dhokla. And then just spread it out evenly so that it goes to all of the dhokla. So you can use the back of a spoon also. Ensure that the tadka goes to all over the dhokla. So this is an ideal breakfast item, or when anyone's hungry to prepare. It's so simple and it gets ready also very quickly. And as you've seen, there are very few ingredients in this recipe. And then I'm just going to garnish it with some chopped up coriander or cilantro. And then all we have to do is just demold it, and it comes out really easily. And that's it, guys. Your dhokla is all ready to enjoy. So do give this recipe a try and do let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe. And I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.